everybody, it is Eva here today with my squishies. I'm not going to show you in the drawer because it's just messy. It has a sock in it, sneak peek, just for you guys that want to see weird stuff. I'm just going to line them up in the least and squishiest. Least squishiest to the squishiest squishy. Okay. I just need to do a test. And like that, and then like that. Okay, great. Okay, so now they're all lined up, I can push the box away. And yeah, let's get started. So the first one I have is this Panda bun. It's not that squishy, it's yellow. It has like nothing there. Okay, that's my Panda bun. And then before I had the Panda bun, I had this really squishy yellow thing, yellow donut. But now I have the Panda bun, and I have this toast. Can you translate that and that? If you're Japanese at all or anything, I'm gonna go over to Google Translate and just do every single thing until I find this, unless it's like bread language. I think it's informal. No, not informal. I think it's Chinese or something. Chinese or Japanese, because I got mine from China. So this fortune cookie, it's quite squishy and it's super soft. This is my slice of bread. Squishy. Oh, and these are to hang on to your bags. I wouldn't recommend hanging them onto your bags because people will steal them off of your bags and break them and stuff. So I don't get how this one still has this stuff in it, but it's not metal there. It's weird, like other things. That's the plastic part, and it has the plastic in it. But this isn't plastic. Don't worry, I said I ain't. This isn't plastic, and then it has this stuff in it. What? Next is my mini onson bun, which has the blush cheeks. Mini. The size of my glasses. Hey! Hi. Next is this Panda. And then next is this squishy. So that is all my squishies. If you want to see more squishy videos, if you want to see fashion videos at all, just leave it down in the comments. I'm going to put all of the names in here, and then also going to put them how long it took for them to come to England from China, and what kind of website I got them from. So yeah, please like this video, subscribe and comment down below. Bye!